Okay, greetings, my friends. This is what I've done today. Got a AM radio right out of the box, which is right here. And see if I can get a closer picture. I'm sorry, this video, of it. I like about this, it's made by Bike Extras. I want to say in the 80s, could be late 70s, possibly, being just AM. And you can see the name there, Bike Extras. And I like about it because I wanted a radio, not just that one. That one's a transistor, GE 1976, and works beautifully. And it's got the very hard to find transistor holder. Very expensive if you find those. My friend Pedro Collins got that from him. So that works great for that. But I always wanted something on the dash, and this one I like about it because it does have a red, white, and blue stripe on there on both sides. Got a little bit of a silverish, just paint. The speaker's right there, and this is the front portion of it. This is your stations, and this is your on and off.
And it's like, okay, they figured something out.
If I can pull on the station here. Get the Mexican station is pretty good. A lot of talk shows, sport networks. Catch up on sports to get the scores pretty clear. It's only on volume 3, I think. It gets pretty loud. More Spanish. Talk show. So.
Alright. Then Harrison is leading. Dion helped the process.
I was getting some classic rock, but oh well. Works pretty great. I like it. And when you wanted to remove it, you just pull it out this way, and it's got its own little stringer here. You want it, tote it with you. So, anyways, I thought this was a nice little addition to the Bicentennial here. Cycle light, Neil Stock Schwinn approved rack. So this is a nice bike. I'm ready for in July when we have our parade here. Hopefully, it's going to be hot, but hopefully I'll take it with me. Show it over there. Nothing very special about this bike. It's just a coaster model. Got the old Hunt Wild streamers. And it just got the, if I can get it to ring here. Nothing special, made in China, I think. I did used to have the original American flag ones. I might get one. There's one I've been eyeing on it for like $15. But this is okay because it's colorful. But anyways, this is what I've done today. So I got something on the dash there. Got enough room for something else there. So we'll see. Okay.